feeling bloated, sluggish, or just plain off. Your gut might be sending you SOS signals. Today, we're decoding the 8 most common signs your body is begging for probiotics. Welcome to Health Sabs. Let's dive in. Your gut, often referred to as your second brain, is home to trillions of bacteria that play a crucial role in overall health. When this delicate ecosystem is out of balance, it can manifest in various symptoms. Let's explore the key indicators that your gut might be in distress. The first sign is digestive issues. Are you constantly battling bloating, gas, or irregular bowel movements? This could be your gut's way of saying, "Help." These digestive disturbances might indicate an imbalance in your gut bacteria. Incorporate probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi into your diet. The second sign is weakened immune system. Feeling like a magnet for colds and flus? Your gut could be the culprit. A healthy gut is essential for a strong immune system. If you're finding yourself getting sick more often than usual, it might be time to support your gut health. Boost your immune system and gut health with probiotic-rich foods like fermented vegetables, miso, and tempeh. The third sign is skin problem. Struggling with acne, eczema, or other skin issues? Believe it or not, your gut health can significantly impact your skin's appearance. Gut imbalances can often manifest as skin problems. Improve your skin health from within by consuming probiotic-rich foods like kombucha and sourdough bread. The fourth sign is mood swings and brain fog. Feeling anxious, depressed, or experiencing brain fog? Your gut-brain connection is stronger than you might think. An unhealthy gut can contribute to mood swings and cognitive difficulties. Support your mental well-being with probiotic-rich foods like pickles and natto. The fifth sign is uncontrollable cravings. Are you constantly reaching for sugary snacks or unhealthy foods? These cravings might be linked to imbalances in your gut bacteria. Probiotics can help regulate your appetite and reduce cravings. Satisfy your cravings healthily with probiotic-rich foods like kefir and sauerkraut. The sixth sign is recurrent yeast infections. Frequent yeast infections can be a frustrating and uncomfortable experience. These infections might be a sign of an overgrowth of harmful bacteria in your gut. Restore balance in your gut with probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and miso. The seventh sign is gut inflammation. Chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues, including digestive problems. If you suspect underlying inflammation, supporting your gut health can be beneficial. Reduce inflammation with probiotic-rich foods like kimchi and sauerkraut. The eighth sign is antibiotic aftermath. Antibiotics are lifesavers, but they can also disrupt your gut's delicate balance. If you've recently finished a course of antibiotics and are experiencing digestive issues, probiotics can help restore your gut flora. Replenish your gut bacteria with probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and kefir. Your gut health is a cornerstone of overall well-being. By recognizing these signs and taking steps to support your gut microbiome, you can improve your digestion, immunity, and overall quality of life. Remember, it's essential to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Like, comment, and share this video to help others discover the power of probiotics.